Type 2 diabetes is one of the greatest contributors to illness and disability. Today we are learning more about ways to prevent type 2 diabetes with Dr. Miles Hassell from greatmed.org. Dr. Hassell, thanks so much for coming back.
Yeah, thanks for having me.
So you have 5 ways to prevent or even reverse type 2 diabetes. What are they?
It starts with saying, hey, what can I do? In other words, having your mind on board that it's possible. About 70% of people can actually reverse their type 2 diabetes, but it appears to us that almost everybody with prediabetes does not need to get diabetes. In other words, if you get in there early when you've got lots of pancreatic function, almost all of those people can prevent diabetes. So the first issue is realize this is in your power, and it's not in your doctor's power. Only you can do this. Secondly, realize it takes work, making your own food. Thirdly, in most cases it requires a certain amount of weight management, or what we like to call it waste management, getting that weight off the middle. Fourthly, eating a good food diet, which basically means eating whole foods you've cooked yourself. That's kind of a tough one for people as well. From highly processed foods that other people have made for you, you're probably making a big mistake and you're probably not going to be successful. And fifthly, getting exercise every day. In fact, the metabolic data would suggest that you're going to do better if you get exercise 3 times a day.
Wow, 3 times? So what, after every meal?
Yeah, before, after, just get it. And if you can only get exercise once a day, we'll take that.
Okay.
But if you really want to do well, then we suggest to people, if they even start with just 1 minute 3 times a day. 1 minute of something high exertion, 1 minute of something that makes them short of breath. Stairs, skipping rope, walking, playing with the dog, playing with the children, playing with the grandchildren. We don't think it really matters what you do, just do it.
I thought I'd heard all the health tips there were, but I have never heard work out 3 times a day, just in small increments.
Even if it's only 1 minute.
Okay.
Well, part of our rationale is who can find an excuse not to exercise for 1 minute?
So you've written a book on this topic.
As a matter of fact, I have. So this is a book I wrote with my sister. All the funny parts are hers, all the technical parts are mine, and all the recipes are hers. Good Food, Great Medicine, which is designed to equip people for how they can prevent preventable illness.
And people can visit you on greatmed.org. Thanks so much.
Greatmed.org. Thank you.
To get your copy of Good Food, Great Medicine and learn more about boosting your immunity, visit greatmed.org.